If you haven't subscribed already, please do hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and check the all notifications button such that you're the first to get notified about all the updates right here at Dinos Vault. Hello there guys, welcome to Dinos Vault. Welcome to my first drive review of the Grand i10 Nios 1 liter turbo petrol. I'm really excited to see what this has got. This is the performance hatch of the masses. The diamond cut alloy wheels look awesome, and this new aqua teal color, or whatever color this is, it looks really premium. I can't wait to hop in and go blasting on this sweet little monster. It looks really cute. But this is a 1 liter turbo petrol, 100 PS of max power, 172 Newton meters of max torque. Best part I like about this car, it has wireless charging. You slot your phone here and it's faster than the wired charging for my Samsung S10 Plus. Slot it into gear. Are you ready? Here we go. Whoa! Yes! The fun begins instantaneously. The best part is they've, matched this or mated this to the manual gearbox. So the fun is endless. Just shift. Oh, 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 oh. Wow! Go blasting across the straights. I love the suspension setup, it's very reassuring. And look at the speed, absolutely scintillating stuff. Floor the pedal, put the pedal to the metal. Wow, these are really taller gears and the high-speed stability is really good, so I don't want to push it too far. But wow, that was the wind of change that this segment required. I mean, it's all about fuel efficiency and fuel economy and comfort and features. Where's the joy of driving? Where's the sheer joy or pleasure of driving gone? It had gone missing, and Hyundai suddenly thought, well, we got to put the sheer driving pleasure back where it belongs for the masses. Whoa, this is what happens here in India. We have animals, we have cats and dogs and buffaloes. You don't know who's going to come out from where, but always drive responsibly. I've put on my seat belt, and yeah, I'm just checking the high-speed stability, so don't get me wrong. It's almost an abandoned road. It's completely zero to minimal traffic here. And I love the suspension setup. I love the steering feel. It has that leather wrap to it, very soft touch feel. The dash flows from the speedo console all the way to the center of the layout. Then you have this wave pattern dash, the red accents on the this guy has the side stand on. I don't know how to warn him. I think we'll try and turn around and try and warn this guy first. I was asking for trouble. You have these parking guidelines or reverse camera with park assist. These are not dynamic guidelines, so they don't move around as you steer yourself into place, but they do help a lot. And he's gone far away, but you're never far away when you have this. Was that a wheel spin? My god, you gotta be watchful. This is seriously fast. It's just a 3-cylinder engine. It does post 100 kilometers per hour in the second gear, and many people said it's these are taller gears. This gentleman right here, he's down with the side stand. Let us warn him, at least we can save one life. With the mobile phone. And Anna, side stand Anna. Oh my god, he was driving with the side stand down and he was operating his mobile phone. Guys, please care for your family, because life happens to us only once. So I had to rush back, forget about the review and everything. At least we saved one life today. But coming back to the action right here, the action hero right here is the Grand i10 Nios. It's like the Bumblebee going into stealth mode or power mode. It's all cute and bubbly on the outside, but then with this turbo petrol, they have transformed this into a monster, a sweet little monster. That's what I call it. I wish they had given us color TFT console. I know it's kind of wishful thinking in this segment, but come on Hyundai, you guys always, you know, nail it when it comes to giving us ahead of the class features. Get us a, you know, that colorful sporty Lamborghini kind of a sporty console to add on to the sporty character that this car has on offer. I'm all excited, full of enthusiasm, because yeah, I'm loving it just the way it is. The Nios was a great car. The 1.2 liter petrol was also good. Diesel variant was also good as always. Hyundai diesels are really top notch, class defining, but this one is purely for the driving enthusiast, for the true petrol head out there. Mated the 1 liter turbo petrol with a manual gearbox, and it's like pure heaven, getting a taste of heaven. Okay, wow, whoa, it kind of throws you back on the seat. That's the best part about it, the thrust that it gives you. Wow, we have a corner coming up straight ahead, so let's see how suspension fares. Nearly 70 kilometers per hour. Yeah, it's good, really good. And the best part is the throttle pedal or the accelerator pedal has a good feel to it. The clutch feel is extremely light, so as a result the effort is very minimal, so it offers a completely fatigue-free driving experience, though you're driving a manual. So steering feel is really good, steering sensitivity is really good. It's not too light or not too heavy, it's just the right weight or right heft at the lower speeds, and it weighs up adequately at higher speeds. Look at this, just holding the line flawlessly through the corner. Very minimal body roll, as good as nothing. So it's just bang on in terms of everything. Seats, that's the only gripe I have. They don't get adjustable headrests, and the headrests are also slightly get a thin padding. I thought they would have gotten, I would have hoped for a thicker chunky padding for the headrests for the driver seat as well as the passenger seat, and the rear seat also doesn't get adjustable headrests. So that's one gripe I have, but apart from that, this car is an absolute hooligan. It's like the Bumblebee going beast mode. Here we have a Caped Crusader, and this turning radius is so short. I mean, for the urban guys. The one more thing I want to highlight is, because of the taller gear ratios, every time you slow down, things don't work in the second gear. You have to shift down to the first gear, otherwise you'll feel that knocking, kind of a jittery, kind of a 3-cylinder clatter. But then 7,000 RPM is where the joy is, where everything becomes weightless, and all that remains is a body moving through space and time. The iconic dialogue from Ford versus Ferrari. Oh my god, this is so good, so damn good. I just don't want to let go of this. I wish we were on a track such that we can check the cornering stability as well. We have a corner coming up ahead. That's a kind of a fast corner. That's not the perfect apex that you'd be looking for. But look at this, third gear, we're going past close to 150, and gotta slow down here because there is a corner and there is a massive truck right in front of us. But the suspension is beautifully tuned to complement its sporty character. That's the best part. See, you don't have to shift up and down all that much. You can stay in the same gear and you can kind of rev the hell out of it. That's what they've made it with this. But I'm not sure shorter gear ratios would have meant like having to fiddle around with the gears a lot, but taller gear ratios have helped. But does it affect the fuel economy because of the taller gearing? Because you won't get into the top gear all that soon unless and until you're on the highway and are in cruising speeds. But apart from that, when it comes to joy, wow, I'm like, the smile on my face is as wide as it can get. Thank you, Hyundai, for celebrating the true, oh, you see, shift down to, ooh. Oh, is this from the Mad Max universe? I mean, those guys are freaking, only they care about is driving pleasure. They don't give a damn about fuel economy or anything. Just let's do a 360 turn here. Wow, that's what I told you. I keep telling you that the turning radius on this car is really good. Suspension is good. Seats are good. You have that red color sporty piping as well as red stitching on this. Oh, second gear. Yeah, it's revving up to 6,500 RPM. But then, okay, contain yourself, Dino. Gotta behave myself. Ooh, this was breathtaking. Did I just take a breath after a long time? I forgot to take a deep breath. That's how intense this car is, and that's what you expect when you read the badging turbo on any car. And is there any lag kind of a thing? Yes, maybe a little bit, but the majority of the fun happens between 2,000 to 5,000 RPM or something. Yeah, and we've driven it all the way to here through traffic as well. Overtaking happens in a flash. This guy just did spit out of the auto. Goodness gracious, these days you gotta be really careful. Let me take it easy. So summing things up, the 1 liter turbo petrol Grand i10 Nios is grand, and it's powerful, and it rocks, absolutely rocks. So I'm seriously impressed. I was expecting this, and that's exactly what they've delivered. Did it surpass my expectations to some extent? Yes, especially in the lower gears where you just, whoa, where you just shift down and step on the gas. It just comes alive, all of, like, it's like hitting the supernova mode kind of a thing, kind of a feeling. So that's pretty much it. You can watch my detailed review where I talk about the features and specs and the models and the variants. I'll leave a link to that in the description portion below. This was about having pure fun in a car that's meant to have, meant to be the definition for fun. So that's pretty much it. I just hope you found this video useful. I believe my phone is charged 100% as well. So let's put this aside. And yes, see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and drive safe. Special shout out to Fusion Hyundai for allowing me to enjoy this drive to my heart's content. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Yeah, show me some love, show some love to the effort. Almost daily videos are being uploaded. Hit the like button, stay subscribed for more action right here at Dinos World. Take care, God bless, and drive safe.